When our client came to us, he told us he wanted a badass backyard, and that's what we did. Hi, I'm Jennifer Lynn, and we're here today at our Valencia Oasis project. So some of the goals that our client had for this project was to first create an amazing backyard where he can host a lot of events and parties. Second was to have very easy, low maintenance, and then create an amazing outdoor kitchen and living space. Our client loves to travel to the south of France, and then also Miami was a huge source of inspiration for us for this project. The pool details that we wanted to incorporate was a jacuzzi, beach access, meaning that you sort of gradually just walk into the pool, and also a nice lounging space where you're somewhat in the water, but then outside of the water for tanning. So the touches that we brought into the project, reflecting back to like the Miami vibe, is accents of yellow, pops of blue, and also that crystal clear blue water. We chose to use turf in the backyard, and then right outside of the pool where you're kind of going in and out, we wanted to do a nice detail with the turf inlay with the limestone. The reason for that is when you're coming out of the pool, the limestone can get very hot, so the turf actually helps sort of cool your feet when you're coming in and out of the pool. The backyard also needed all new landscaping, so we added collusia hedges, palms, and really wanted to have these hedges tall enough, and they'll grow to give privacy and also create that oasis feel. Because our client wanted easy maintenance, we chose a porcelain countertop, which you can cut on the porcelain. You can put hot pans on the porcelain. It's actually one of the best materials to use in an outdoor space. Going back to the coastal theme that we were bringing throughout this project, we actually chose some cabinet hardware that has teak and stainless steel mix on it. We added our custom cabinets, which are made out of starboard, and that's a material that's found on boats. That means easy maintenance, it can handle water, it can handle the elements of the outdoors. And then also the custom tile on the pool and behind the sink is actually made in California. It was made to order, so we actually got to choose the colors that were in the tile. So it truly is a unique, one-of-a-kind piece. So in the lounge area, we added screens so that you can actually have them come down. So on nights when you want to be able to open your doors from the inside, you can actually flow right from the outside in. The curtains were a really important part of this outdoor lounge space. The curtains add softness and a nice texture. Another part of this project was to also remodel the cabana bathroom. The cabana bathroom we ended up renovating once we were almost done with the renovation of the backyard. So the cabana bath is a reflection of what we did back here. So we brought in elements of yellow and blue and the white marble look on the tile. I'm Jennifer Lynn, and if you're interested in remodeling your home, give us a call. Thanks for watching.